Hello everyone and welcome to the Live Paint and Image Trace tutorial. We will start with a simple rectangle on the page. So this is a single object which we can control the line weight and the color of. We can grab the control points at the corners using the direct selection tool and move them to change the shape of a rectangle. If we select two of them while holding down the shift key, we can now move two of them at the same time. Now let's deselect. And using the same tool, without selecting anything, we can grab a whole edge of a rectangle and move that. Thus, we're stretching the rectangle. These are your basic ways of editing an object in Illustrator. Now let's say we have a more complex shape or a more complex set of lines. I will copy this rectangle around the page, and I will also draw some lines across the entire composition. We could select these objects individually and change their individual line weights and fills. However, if we were interested in coloring this entire composition as a whole, we could use the Live Paint tool, located here in your toolbar, or by pressing K. Make sure to have the object selected and then select the Live Paint tool. Now we can click anywhere in the selection, and this will start the Live Paint process. We can now click and infill certain parts of a drawing with different colors. However, when we change the line type, it will be changed for the entire composition. To be able to control these things individually, you can always make a duplicate copy of your objects on a separate layer and use that for line weights, while using the Live Paint tool for fills. When done, you can always expand your Live Paint to release the objects that formed it. After doing it, they will be grouped, so make sure to ungroup them if you want to move them freely. Now let's quickly talk about image trace. This is a function in Illustrator that allows you to quickly transform any raster image into a line drawing. This is a highly inaccurate process that never gives you any straight lines, so you should only use it to create illustrative images or extract silhouettes, but never use it to draft drawings. For example, if I take a picture off Google of a tree and just paste it into my drawing, I can use the Live Trace button while the image is selected and engage the process. You can tweak these controls until you get the results you are interested in. In this case, I'm interested in seeing some of the leaves and getting a clear silhouette of the tree. After I'm happy with the tweaks, I can expand the image trace. And I need to ungroup the set of objects. Then I can select exactly the parts I'm interested in and delete the rest. You can always play with the controls until you get the hang of it, but I promise you'll never be able to extract. You can always play with the controls until you get the hang of it, but I promise you will never be able to extract a straight line out of it. So for that, I recommend just drawing the line. I hope this helps. Good luck.